Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel where we go in search of wildlife photography. I'm Doug Wallace for the Wildlife Gallery. Ain't that Muscovy Duck neat? Here I am along the MKT Trail here in Boone County, Missouri. Got a little pond right here, and I saw this duck yesterday, and I thought he was just tamed. Figured maybe somebody turned their pet loose, but this guy actually flies. He flew off yesterday. And there's a pileated woodpecker right there, even. Let's see if I can get a photograph of him. Oh, he's going behind the tree now, um, which is kind of fitting. Seeing that pileated woodpecker right there, just about a half a mile down the road or trail here, is a nest, and there's a couple of babies in it. Yesterday, actually, one of them left the nest, and I watched him fall about 40 feet out of a tree, hit the ground, and you'll see some video here of him hopping along the grass and getting back to a tree for him to climb back up. So that was kind of neat. Uh, Anyways, just sharing these pileated woodpeckers and this Muscovy duck, which is kind of crazy to me. I'm actually in search of a green heron. So 3 days ago, there goes that pileated woodpecker again. But 3 days ago, another photographer showed me a picture of a green heron at this location. And he said he'd been hanging out here for a couple of weeks. And naturally, I've been here 3 days in a row and no green herring. But that's part of wildlife photography. You gotta be persistent and persevered to get the photograph that you wanted. And that's been the last species for me to try and get this spring is a green heron. So him and a wood duck had been my nemesis this spring, and I finally, as y'all saw, I finally was able to catch up to the wood ducks. But the green heron is proven to be the challenge. So anyways, thanks for tagging along. If you would, like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch y'all on the next video.